Welcome to the first episode of Block by Block, a show where we cover the latest Hytopia news, development updates, and highlight some of the great things happening in the community. It's been a huge couple of weeks for the Hytopia platform, so let's not waste any time and get right into the recap. First up, we have the long-anticipated tokenomics update. This announcement is a great overview of how the economics around Hytopia and the currency token Hybucks will work. The announcement covers staking rewards, creator splits, and a very exciting creator endorsement program where investors can endorse games they believe in, and as those projects hit various milestones, both the creators and their endorsers earn Hybucks rewards. More details to come, but for now, check out the full overview and the High Foundation announcement, which I will link in the description. Another big piece of news for the platform is that the marketplace and locker system are now live for testing. If you log into your Hytopia account, you will see $100 of fake currency that you can use to help test the system. Use it on the marketplace tab to purchase items, bundles, and loot boxes that you can unbox. On the locker tab, you can customize your character, view and equip your items, and list items you no longer want up for sale. Whatever cosmetics you have equipped in your locker will be visible in any game that is using the default Hytopia player. At the end of testing, all of the accounts will be wiped, so have fun in the meantime and be sure to report any bugs that you run into inside of the Hytopia Discord. And just a reminder for any experienced game dev teams out there, the $250,000 Hytopia Creator Fund is still accepting applications. Teams that are accepted receive up to $25,000 in grants to support the development of their Hytopia game and will also receive a preferential rev share agreement with a 75% creator split. Hytopia has already partnered with 3 great teams, including Shrimp and Cebu, the creators of SkyGarden, IROC Studios, an experienced Roblox studio making Hytopia, and most recently, Retro Shrimp, a Roblox studio with over 1 billion plays who are creating Hyperball Arena on Hytopia. So if you're a part of a dev team, check the link in the description to see if you meet the criteria to apply for a Creator Fund grant. And speaking of developers, let's move on to some Hytopia development updates. The SDK has been through some big changes recently, including a move away from the original JavaScript implementation using Bun. This one is a major change, so if your project is on an older version of the SDK, make sure you check the Hytopia Discord for upgrade instructions so that you can take advantage of the latest updates, one of them being support for the Hytopia cosmetic system. Since the cosmetic system has been added to the SDK, now in the test environment, your player will spawn with random cosmetics. Creators can choose to disable specific cosmetics based on anchor nodes if they interfere with their game's mechanics. Check the dev docs for more details on that. And for a big visual update, animation blending has been implemented. This update really smooths out how player animations transition from one animation to another, as you can see from the video. This is an automatic client update, so no need to update projects to see this reflected in your game, it will just automatically work. And on the world builder side, the Hytopia team has been adding tons of new features, including support for emissive block lighting, support for Axiom schematic importing for all you Minecraft builders out there, and the ability to toggle your player model into the world to check things like scale and jump distances. They're also working on a fully polished Hytopia block set, and it's looking really great already. So that covers all the major development news, but before you leave, I just want to mention a few community highlights. SkyGarden by Shrimp and Cebu is live and in beta. Grow your garden, raise animals, decorate your island, cook, craft, and play with friends in this cozy farming sim. I chatted with Shrimp yesterday and he was kind enough to hook all of you guys up with a bonus, so if you use /code Ashoka in the game, you will receive a light door, 10 cobblestone blocks, 10 knotty oak planks, and 4 lanterns. Everything you need to get a nice build started. Steal a Brainrot by Yeehaw Games is also live and in beta, and the community is really enjoying it. The Yeehaw Games team has tons of stuff in the works for this one, so be sure to stay involved there. VoxFire by Neural Pixel Studio is an FPS search and destroy game that is in alpha testing. Join the Neural Pixel Discord to get access to the testing server. This game is a ton of fun and will feel really familiar to any CS vets out there. Many more developers are cooking up some really great looking games right now, and we're all looking forward to playing and supporting those games when they go live as well. If you're building something cool on Hytopia, be sure and reach out so that I can highlight it in the next episode of Block by Block. Okay, that's it for today, guys. If you want to stay up to date on all the latest Hytopia news, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and if you do, I will see you in the next one.